In MATLAB, we can use relational operators to check how two values relate to each other, whether one of the two values is less than or greater than or equal to the other value. So let's see a couple of examples. If you want to check if 1 is less than 1, we can use the less than sign, like this. So 1 less than 1. If we run it, we get an answer that is 0. Now, we get 0 because, as we have discussed in a previous lecture, booleans in MATLAB are not true or false, they are 0 or 1. 0 means false, 1 means true. We have several different operations, so let's just go over them, see a couple of examples, and move on. This is the less than, so let's save it in a variable, so less than, like this. Now let's move on to the greater than, so greater than, let's say 1 greater than 2. It should give us false again, so less than is 0, greater than is 0, and I just noticed that this file doesn't have the COC clear close all. What a mistake. Let's run it again. Great. Now, what am I doing here? I just want to take a moment to talk about this. I am performing an operation and I am assigning the result of that operation to my less than variable. Same goes down here. So when I call each of these variables, I have access to the result of the operation that was executed prior to the assigning of the value to the variable. Let's move on. Equal to. We can check if two values are equal to each other. So equal to. And we are not doing this with the equal sign, but we are doing it with two equal signs, like this. 1 equal 2. Let's see. They are not equal. Again, a 0. Let's see a true example. 1 equal to 1. Yes, it is. We can check if a value is greater than or equal to. Equals 1. We use the greater than sign and then the equal sign. 2, like this. Let's run it. 0. They are not. Less than or equal to. 1, less than sign and equal. 2. Let's run it. 1, this is true. Now, take notice about this. We are always first using the less than or greater than sign, and then we are using the equal sign. Finally, we have the not equal operator. So this operator checks if two values are not equal to each other. So if we say not equal, 1 not equal to 1, we will get a 0 because this is false. 1 is equal to 1, and we are checking if they are not equal. If we change this to 1 not equal to 2, this is true. And these are the relational operators in MATLAB that you can use to perform different kinds of comparisons between values. We also have logical operators, the logical operators AND, OR, XOR, NOT, but we will see them when we get to conditional statements.